Okay, today is the 24th of July 2025. Today we'll be unboxing IEM from TinHIFI. Thank you TinHIFI for sending this for review purposes, but this is an unboxing video. Let's get on to it. Let's open this up. I'll get my first impressions of it from TinHIFI. There's nothing else inside? Nope. Here it is. This is DLC driver. And all the corresponding QR codes. Here and this one here, TinHIFI. Silver, black, and 3.5mm 2-pin. There's a choice of DAC as well. DAC means digital audio converter. Type C. Let's open this up. From here. So this is only an unboxing video. I'll give you my impressions when I have another video. After listening to this for more than 1 week later. Currently I have the KZ Caster base version. I'll compare this to it. You can find the written review and pictures on gerryko.com. GERRYKO.com. My new website that features food, IEMs, resorts, anything, events as well. It's a nice cardboard, hard cardboard. Ooh. Definitely looks better than KZ unboxings. Styrofoam, I think, or some kind of plastic, and TinHIFI. There should be it's better to have a pull tab here. It's a bit difficult to pull out unless I just go into here. Oh. Let's see. It's difficult to take out. This is very hard type of like styrofoam thing. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, it's better if there's a pull tab somewhere. Okay, I had to go crazy with it. Oh, okay. The styrofoam thing is glued to a, what should we call it? Cardboard. Yeah, interesting. So this TinHIFI is a single dynamic driver. I have single dynamic drivers, which is the KZ EDX and the CCA CRAs, so I have experience with them. Very cool. Let's pop them out. On the other side, it's pretty small. Let's compare it now to the size of the caster, which is almost the same thing. Of course, the caster is a bit more longer because it has two dynamic drivers. This one only has one. Don't get me wrong, single dynamic drivers can be very good sounding, and the rest. Ooh. Tips here, big, small, and I'm guessing this is the medium size one. Product warranty description and whatnot. Made in the People's Republic of China. Gives you a warranty card. Very cool. That's about it. But this is what interests me, is the cable. It's nice cable. Definitely this unboxing is much better than KZ generic stuff. Ooh. It's kind of like braided. It's very cool. Wow. Is this... oh, it's tethered to it. Oh. So that means... oh, you can take it out, no problem actually. I'll leave it on it. No branding on this part here. This one is lovely. This is not a chin strap. No, it's not. Ah, there is a chin strap here. Of course, it's easy to make chin straps. You just have to like get those small little wires that holds things together. Some metal wires and whatnot. Let's see. This one has something inside it. Oh, it's the same. Oh, them are the same. There's a black wire, but this is then there's an R here, so that's for the right, which is this one. This is the right. Normally it's like this. Pins. Yeah, correct. Just making sure it's whole. It's quite tight. No click. No click sound. Okay. And the left. Okay, cool. Let's put this on and see. Okay, thanks for watching. Then this is the unboxing of the TinHIFI. Is this a C1 or C3? I'm not sure. It does not have a branding for it. Oh well, strange. I think it's a C1.